Oh, yes! That's the girl I want. Woo! All right, good morning. This is day 3. Guys, I've been slaying it out here at AEP. Literally, I think I've caught in the last day and a half 35 bass and 60 bluegill. Topping out my bass have been, I think, 5 pounds and 4 pounds. Man, ton of fun. So I'm heading back out some of my favorite lakes. There's a string of lakes right behind a big musky bucket that I'm going to try to check out today. Man, if you haven't been out here, there are probably, I think the last time I looked, I mean, you hear a bunch of numbers. There's like 900 lakes out here, around 280 campsites that are free. And there's all kinds of campsites like Camp K, Camp C, Camp D, and there's all kinds of different places to camp. So if you haven't checked it out, do that. But this morning, I'm gonna take you along for a ride at some of my favorite lakes back here. So let's go slay some bass. Let's get this party started. This one's not an easy one to access. I'm literally pushing this kayak through the mud, and it stinks. Ugh. Oh my goodness. And I'm sinking. There better be some fish in here. Float! Oh, I'm sinking pretty deep. Yeah, that's gonna be a pain in the butt to get out as well. Guess what I'm using? Yep, wacky worm. That's all I use. I'm slaying it, so why change it up? Oh. Come on. Right. Not too shabby. All right, out here in the middle of nowhere. Literally, if I had some trouble with my car, I'd be in trouble because I haven't seen a car out here. I found this guy. Not sure where I'm at. Met some old timer. He's like, oh yeah, take this road out, Cole Road, and take a left, take a right, and take another left, take another right. And I did it, and here I am. So, on top of the boat, see if there's any fish in here. Here's a good one. Here's a runner. Come to daddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go. He's a big girl. Come on. She does not want to come up. Oh, I know why. Come here. Oh, yes! That's the girl I want. Woo! Yes. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Got it right in the top of the mouth there. That was fun. That was fun. All right, I'm gonna switch up my tried and true and put on Wormzilla. Let's see how long this thing lasts. It takes forever to pull it through the water. That's why I don't like using it, but maybe it will attract a ginormous bass. It's like pulling a snake through the water. See what happens. I wish I could video the whole time, but no electric out here, so it's hard to charge stuff. I got some extra batteries, but they only last so long. Oh, something hit on the Wormzilla. Not a big one, but he's one. You locked the Wormzilla. Little, not even pounder. All All right, on top of the grass, let it sit there. The Wormzilla again. Man, he hit. I only knew he was on there because my line was taken off across the lake. So, we're on top of the grass here. I was a little too far out, I think. Oh, I saw him come up for it. This doesn't happen very often. I literally saw him, threw it in there, and caught him. Not too often you see one, throw it, and he's interested. Usually they take off. I wasn't even looking in the middle of the lake, and he was right next to me. I like catching these ones. Eating anything lately? No, nothing, just one of my worm. Get it, bud. That one was cool because I set the hook, because the water is so clear, I set the hook by sight. I didn't even feel him take it. I just saw him take it. So, not too often I get to do that. That was fun. Let's fish this little beaver dam. See what's over here. That'd be something sitting down there in the sticks. Love to pop out and eat an easy meal. Dragging right in front of it. Got him out of the beaver dam. Came out and smashed it. Just let it fall. Hungry guy. Calm down. Come here. Little guy. Well, I got worm. I'm gonna catch another one. I don't think he's the only one under there. All right, guys, you're at AEP and you come across this view in this lake, and you're like, should I fish it? The answer is yes. Throw your kayak in there. I got 5 or 6 of them, and they were good size. I know a lot of these lakes you get a lot of fish. However, the problem a lot of times is the size. This one has the size. All right, I'm gonna move up and down the road a little bit and see what else we can find. Let's do it.